You'll notice that the dashboard looks a little bit differently from the last tutorial. First, the menu. We're going to take a look at the menu. So we have up here on the top the dashboard, which will take us to this page here. We have our connections tab, messages, tasks, marketplace, and then our profile, which will bring up a sub menu. So connections is going to take us to the Areii network where we can go and find other users. We can see the requests that they have sent to us, and we can see our current connections. Messages will open up the messages page where we can message any of our connections and talk to them. Tasks will show us all of our current tasks and any tasks that we've completed. The marketplace will take us to the Areii marketplace where we can see any deals that have been posted by users or any of the deals that have been posted by some of our affiliates, some of our software partners that we are working on, so that we can have deals injected into Areii from other locations. Don't worry, we're not adding anything on there. It's still completely free for users to look through, all that sort of stuff. We're not tacking anything extra on there from our end. This is just something that we want to provide, and it's an easy place to find the good deals in a place that you're already hanging out. So yeah, just saves an extra little step. And then on your profile, we'll be able to go to my profile, which is the profile that other users will see when they connect with you. Settings, which is all your account setting stuff, and then you can log out, obviously. We still have the floating action button here, which will bring up our tab of different things that we can do. So we still have the add expense, add property, and add document functions. We can also go and look up tutorials and how-to guides, as well as report any bugs that we find. So with the navigation stuff out of the way, let's move on to the actual dashboard.